I hope you heard them, because they're absolutely amazing. So every single one, super talented. They're called the Prodigies. I am going to start with, because I call her, give her the wrong name. Which mic I must use, Benzema, where I'm gone? Is this one you said? Which one? Confuse me, All right, we'll soon find out if it's this one. I call her Arzania this morning, but it's Azaria, isn't it? Azaria. And she correct me on television. Good morning, Azaria. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What school do you go to?
I attend the Jesse Ripple Primary.
And where did you learn to sing so beautifully?
I learned to sing at school. I learned to sing at school.
Yeah? What was the name of the song this morning? Cycles? Was that it?
Cycles.
It? Boy, you know that Auntie Sakina got goosebumps because she can't sing like you. You know that? Fantastic. So let me get everyone's name here. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, my name is Gianna Clark.
Jenna?
Gianna Clark.
Gianna. What school do you go to?
I attend the Jesse Ripple Primary School.
Yeah, fantastic. This is my little friend. What's your name, sir?
My name is Dominic Hilton.
Dominic, you sound like I want that voice. Dominic, you sound like a big man. My name is Dominic Hilton. And you play only the keyboard?
No,
Well, no. What else do you play, sir?
sometimes the drums,
Okay. Which one do you prefer?
the piano.
The piano. How long you been playing it?
About 3 years.
Oh, fantastic. So you're also a drummer. Oh. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Brandon Rennie.
Brandon
Rennie.
What's your middle name?
Orlando.
Is that a big time name you have him? And you're the, what is this, bass?
Yes.
Is it difficult to play?
No.
How long you been playing? It's not difficult, so I can play it?
You can try.
How long you been playing it?
I've been playing for 3 years.
You're at Just Ripple also?
Yes, sir.
What you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a musician
That's it? All right.
and a police.
And a police officer. Fantastic. So him not knock me out. They call you drummy. What's your right name, sir?
Kimoni Williams.
Kimoni. How long you been playing the drum?
From I was 4.
Why the drum, though?
Because I'm in love with music,
Yeah.
and this is the instrument that stuck out to me most.
Do you need to, and this is a serious question, do you need to be able to like read music and stuff to be good at the drum or not?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily?
Yes, when you're playing drum, you can find your own beat.
Okay. What you want to be when you grow up?
A musician.
Nothing else? Oh, somebody said, wow. Let me find out, why did you say wow? What's your name, sir?
Jordan Forbes.
Yeah? Why we have 2 keyboards? Why? Why not just one? You're a keyboardist.
Yes.
Any other instruments, sir?
No, not really.
Just Ripple, sir?
Yes, sir.
What school do you want to go to when you leave Just Ripple, sir?
Arden High.
Oh, that's a great school. And what you want to be when you grow up, sir?
A musician.
Okay. All right, there you go. Everybody laughing at you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Nisa Graham. Nisa.
Nisa. And you go to Arden. What's your favorite subject?
English language.
English language? That's brilliant. What you want to be when you grow up?
A lawyer.
A lawyer. So you chat plenty, don't? And you're miserable, don't? And you give trouble, don't? All those things? Mommy and daddy know this. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's your name, sir?
Samuel O'Neill Orlando Graham.
Hold on, Mo. Take time. Samuel.
O'Neill
Yeah?
Orlando
Yeah?
Graham.
Oh, you don't have any more names that they call you? No, Samuel? They don't have a pet name?
Sammy Bami.
Sammy Bami. Okay. And you're just a singer or do you play instruments also?
I play the drums.
You play the drums. So everybody want to take a drummy drum?
No.
No? Just a Ripple, sir?
Yes, sir.
And which school you going to go to after that, sir?
Kingston College. Wait, may I correct that?
You want to correct it?
The Kingston College.
And the man have on something at Kingston College, 40s. Don't you know I go to St. George's, right?
Yes, sir.
But Kingston College is a good school. Have some fun when you go to Kingston College.
Yes,
and
sir.
what you going to be when you grow up?
A lot of things.
A lot of things.
Such as a musician,
Musician.
a professional footballer,
Prof-
an actor,
yeah.
and a lot of...
You're just enough. Don't. Eh? Great to meet you. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And what's your name?
Micah Brown.
So you don't have 14 name like
Micah Angelique Brown.
Okay.
And my pet name from my mom is Mickey.
Mickey? Just a ripper?
Yes, sir.
What school are you going to go to?
I want to go to Campion College.
Okay. What you want to be when you grow up?
A judge and a professional singer.
A judge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sakina, go and get herself in trouble. And the final one this morning. I sound like I can't sing, though. Say yes, the man. So, what's your name?
Nathan Ray.
Nathan. And you're one of the lead singers in that song, Cycles.
Yes.
Beautiful. Just a ripper?
Yes.
What school are you going to go to?
Campion College.
And what you going to be?
Marine biologist.
A marine biologist. Azaria, did I ask you what you want to be when you grow up?
Marine biologist and a professional singer.
Marine biologist and a professional singer. Whew, that was nice. It was great to meet everyone. Fantastic. Oh, you need back this, don't you? Yes. Why? Also with us this morning, by the way, is the gentleman who started this group, and he's right here, Mr. Wayne Davis. We're not going to speak with Mr. Davis, but Mr. Davis kind of have a radio face, so we don't want to put him on TV. Come, Mr. Davis, make everybody see him. Mr. Davis have, what do you call it, a recorder? A pianica. First me about that. So that's Mr. Davis. And you started the group, right? Yes. Fantastic stuff, fantastic stuff. We're going to hear from them now. All right. Who's going to lead this song, apart from me?
Nathan.
Nathan? We ready? Are we ready? Lord. How my song?
No.
So, big on here, man. So, I'm going to cry.
Waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away instead of